Again, if you're on the way up north, anywhere, if you're on the way to Scotland, Lake District, cut across to the North Pennines. I've already shown you one beautiful waterfall, but look at this beast. This is called the High Force Waterfall. I've only ever seen something like this in Switzerland, the Rhine Falls. But that's a bigger than this, but this is sort of like on a smaller scale. I'm going to talk now because I can't hear myself speak when I'm next to it. I'm going to go over the top of it. Here you go. Make sure you see it. You need to see it to believe it.